I got a pretty pretty lady with no like no stress. She got her own but she need some love. She got her own but she need some love. And she tell me say now only me they make her love. Tell me say now only me they cool as stress. She tell me say now only me.
Act normal. Say hi.
Hi.
Miggy, Tia. Look at this. Beautiful.
Are you ready? Wait, I'm ready.
This girl's calling everybody Crystal. You love me. You keep calling everybody Crystal. You love me. Ricky is getting Princess's content. Princess, you got your thing back? Wow. Ralph. Ralph. Did you hear me? Say hi to my YouTube. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
I'm trying something. YouTube, yo. I'm trying to sing. We about to go to Dead Sea.
I put on your side.
We are at Petra, about to do a COVID test. Say hi, Marie. Say hi to my YouTube. Lexi's getting her hair straightened outside because content.
Somebody go get Sunny. We're gonna miss everything. We gotta go. Let's go.
What is she doing?
Let's just go. I don't know.
Buy me one too.
Are still somebody in bus?
One person. I should do my picture in the outfit.
What kind of princess?
This one.
This one, right?
Princess, you tired?
Let me see this one. This one, right? Yeah. This one's better? Let me see 25 more dollars.
Someone go get Sunny.
You want a scar? She's in the bag. Where you bought that from? She's getting.
I like your dress. Oh, I like it. It's not even a dress. It's a two-piece. That's bad.
This? What?
Yeah, what you're wearing?
What mean?
You.
Oh no, it's just dress
Yeah, it's bad. I love it.
from my store.
Yeah, bad. I have some cute stuff from my store that I could have brought, but I didn't pack a suitcase. It was limited fits.
We have nobody else. Let's go.
Yeah, let's just go. Make them do it in groups.
Let's go. She's right there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I can't around my head. Gang shit. The museum, the Petra Museum. So another name for Petra is Rose City due to the color of the stone which is carved. And Petra is one of the 7 wonders of the world established early as like BC times. It's like one of Jordan's main attractions. This is the museum, but where's actually that wall, Tammy? Is it far?
Are you hot? It's hot.
I'm not that hot. I don't have no sleeves.
Miguel?
Petra is one of the 7 world wonders, okay? This is goals. Where did Miguel go? I think he went down these stairs.
Yes. One question, why here you have the many proofs? You have just four, this is a proof. The first one, this proof for, you have the monk for pilgrimage, for the description, the site, description is place, road, and the mentioned, marker, steps, this on the water, and for the pillars, and between the pillars you have the iron cross, and arch, and the small chapel with an altar. This is one, this is a proof. There's two proofs in the Bible. In the Bible, the Gospel according John chapter 1 verses 28. There, this done Bethany beyond of the Jordan, where John was baptized. Where this is Bethany, if we where this is Bethany, this is the name of the town here, this is Bethany.
Oh, this is Bethany?
Yes. Three proofs, all churches, all the Byzantine church, all 5, 6, 7, 8.
Where's John the Baptist Church?
This is the remains old church. Yes, the remains old church.
This is where Jesus was
After
baptized.
this, we can see the new.
Sorry.
Where's the remains then? And with the churches inside, you have the remains. You can go up now. We go around.
Yo, yummy kills me.
Yeah, make it swing. I thought you can't see.
This, just not on, like, just on my lower half. Like, my cheeks, under my chin. It's good for your skin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need some. About to go wash off back in the water, say some prayers, relax, and yeah, no.
I got that pretty lady with no like no stress. She got her own, but she